working Cash App methods for you guys that I've been talking about for a while now. But if you apply all three of these campaigns, you can see some insane results damn near right away. Well, I shouldn't say right away. I should say once you have everything set up, you should see some pretty good results. So first things first, got to show you some results. You guys know I'm all about that payment proof. So in the last hour, we've made over $300. Not bad at all, right? So as you guys can see earlier today, and I'm not including this one, but we received $50 in Bitcoin. And then over here, we received $100 in Bitcoin a few minutes ago. So this one I'm including in the hour. This one I am not. So we're starting at 9:29 and it ended at 10:25. So literally less than 1 hour. As you guys can see, we received all of these payments here. Now, all of these particular payments that I'm showing right here came from the PDF method and BitCino. But I am going to be talking about another method as well. So a total of 3 in this video here. But I got some screenshots for those particular campaigns as well. But you guys will see that in a second here. So 25 bucks, 50. Then if you want to include the recent deposit or whatnot, that happened to just come in as soon as I got paid, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, we had got that. If you include that, it's over 450 or something like that. But then we got a another $25 payment, $50 payment, then a $15 payment, and a $40 payment. So not bad at all. And then of course, you know, we got 98 bucks over here in Bitcoin. So over $300 literally in 1 hour. Not bad at all. And then for the method that I'm going to talk to you guys about, these are some of the screenshots for that one. So these are for the PDF method and for the for the the website building method or whatnot. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys those as well. So again, easy money to be made here, and all you have to do is apply a little bit of work. Well, for BitCino, you technically don't have to do anything, but the other 2 methods, you just have to put in a little bit of work. And it's not going to take a long time or anything along those lines. Literally, you can get everything that I'm about to tell you set up in about 2 to 3 hours. So literally, you can either go to work and make 30 bucks total, or you could spend 2 to 3 hours setting this stuff up and have the potential to literally make thousands of dollars. And the best part about this is goes off how much effort you put in. This doesn't have a cap. So if you go out and you hit this heavy all day long, you know, you can literally make thousands of dollars in one day. But it also, again, goes off how much effort you put in. So if you do absolutely nothing, at least with the PDF method and the website building method, you will not make a dime. But with BitCino, you know, technically you don't have to do anything, so you can still make thousands of dollars with that. But that depends on if you like promoting systems like that. But anyway, I'll have all this stuff documented. I mean, in the playlist towards the end of the video, you guys will see it, like everything down here, this whole video right here, $3,000 a week with Cash App, how to build out your website, stuff like that. So it literally goes over everything. It's a 25-minute video that goes over every single step that you need to do to get all this stuff set up. So going actually setting up the website, showing you step by step how to do this. You know, if you want some more proof or whatnot, like you want to see the actual money in the app, you know, you want to see it being transferred, the whole 9 yards. Like watch the proof Cash App method works right here. Watch that video again. I've showed you several times that this stuff works here. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to give you guys a quick little rundown on how the PDF method works and the website building method. So in a nutshell, how the PDF method works is you'll go to the PDF website. And again, it's in the other video. It shows you how to download them, you know, how to get them, the whole 9 yards, all right? So don't ask, if you legit ask me in the comment section, where do I go get the PDF method? I will ignore you, because that shows me you legit couldn't even watch a few minutes into the video, yet you say you want to make thousands of dollars. I'm not trying to hear it. Go watch the video, all right? But there's a PDF website, and you go over there and you download the PDFs for free. They literally do not cost you a penny. Then you take those free PDFs, you know, and videos, because, you know, some of them have videos, and then you put those on your website. And again, I showed you how, in the video, I showed you how to build your website and everything, right? So then you take the PDFs, put them on the website, then you have an upsell with the video course, And then you'll have your Cash App, basically right there for them to send the payment, and that's it. You get paid over and over and over and over again. So once you set this up, you literally get paid repeatedly. And the only thing you're going to need for this is your website building software, which is free for 14 days and use Easy Pages, and your email follow-up series, which is free for 30 days. So you got 2 weeks to make some money, right? And if you don't make any money, then let's say you don't make any money, right? Which would mean that you literally did absolutely nothing. But anyway, let's just say you didn't make any money. You literally lose $0. So what you got to lose? If you go to work and work for 3 hours, you're gonna probably make what, $30? With this, a couple hours, you see right here, right here, in 1 hour, 300, right? So there you go. That's motivation, guys. Motivation. So once you get your losing my train of thought like crazy. Once you have your email follow-up series going, from there, all it's gonna do is send out the emails. The PDF for you. Then from there, it'll go to the video course and have that all laid out for you. Now you will technically have to do one step, and that is go in the back office and approve them so that way they can get approved for the video course. Or you can have it set up to where they don't need to be approved, but then that link would be able to be accessible for anybody. So let's say someone paid for it, then they took the link and then they started giving it to all their friends. They would be able to do that. Versus if you had it protected, then that person who bought the course is the only person that would have access to it. So it's up to you at the end of the day which one you want to do or whatnot. Now, that's the PDF method. Then when it comes to the website building method, now this is extremely simple and very easy, because all you have to do with this method right here is pretty much copy and paste. So let's say we go to our local little person, right? Our local person that's over on Craigslist. We're going to go to the Craigslist section. We're going to go to Craigslist. Then we're going to go to the resume section. And then we're going to look up plumbers, electricians, stuff like that. People who can actually benefit from having a website, right? Then we'll just contact them and say, hey, we can build your website, do your whole little spiel. And they say, okay, great. And then you say, hey, it's $50, right? And then you would have your website set up to receive this $50 or whatnot. And again, it's going to take you all of maybe 2 to 3 hours to set up both of these methods combined. If you're doing just one, max is going to take you 1 hour and 30 minutes. And that's if you have no skills whatsoever and this is your first time setting up a website. Because with Easy Pages, all you have to do is literally just type the stuff out and just edit and go. So you don't have to do any code, no nothing. So again, this cannot be any easier. All right. So from there, they're going to pay you your $50. Then you're going to go and literally take the information that they're going to give you. So all you're going to do is copy and paste. Be like, hey, do you have any pictures of you working? Do you have any a logo? Do you want us to make you a logo? Boom, there you go. That's another fee that you can charge them. But anyway, you guys get the point. Once all this stuff is, once they give you all the information they need, how long they've been in business, write a little bio, etc., you copy the information that they literally just gave you and paste it into the website. And then you would have them sign up for the website, and then you tell them, hey, it's going to cost you $18 per month to keep this website up and running. And then from there, you're going to get paid again off of them for however long they keep their website running. Now, the best part about that is that they have to keep their website running as long as they're in business, right? Like, no matter how ugly a website is, you have to keep it up and running if it's your business website. So you're going to get a consistent payment every single month off of them just for having their website running. Now, for bigger clients, what you're going to do, and this one is even easier because, with the smaller person, they don't have a website. They got to think of stuff, set it, and all of that, whatever. But when it comes to the bigger businesses, ones that like are established, they got employees, stuff like that. All you have to do is go to Google, and then let's say you type in electrician, and it's going to have a whole list, of electricians. And all you would do is call up but you go to their website, and then you would just see, hey, is this website good? Does it look good? If it looks good, then don't bother, right? Then you go to another one on the list, right? Okay, this one looks terrible. Then you would just make a list of all the ones that look garbage. Then once you got a nice little list of the ones that look garbage, all you would do is just start going to the contact form and say, hey, we can build you a website that looks fantastic. Your website is looking a little outdated right now. Here's an example of what we can make your website look like. Boom. And that's it. $500. Over and over and over and over and over again. And again, this goes 100% off how much effort you put into it. Now I know 99% of people will not take action on this. I think out of the 80 plus thousand people that have seen these Cash App videos, only I think it's up to max 20 people. 20 people. Like if it's a little higher than that, maybe 25. But it's legit between 20 and 25 people out of 80,000 people to watch these videos, right? Now when it comes to the Bitsino, right? I wouldn't say it's mind blowing because I mean with Bitsino it makes perfect sense because 99% of people don't want to work for money, and technically you don't have to do anything in Bitsino to make money. Like you literally just send your payment and the system does everything else for you. But I mean that's not guaranteed. Like anything could happen with that, you know. Like it's not 100% guaranteed. The website building method, the PDF method, that's guaranteed thousands of dollars every single month. But with Bitsino, like you're just waiting for the money to come back, you know. But everyone's been having some good success with it. Like I said myself, a lot of those payments that you guys saw a few minutes ago came from Bitsino, so it does work. Easy, couple $100 every day to literally do nothing. So I mean, I can't really complain. If I can get $500 a day off Bitsino, that's an extra $15,000 a month. And then we got these other Cash App methods going. So if I can get 500 off of that, that's another $500 a day, which is 30K a month. Then of course I still got my CPA marketing going. I still got my affiliate marketing going. I still got my Amazon store going. And I still got my regular stores going. And I'm getting paid every month off of the subscriptions that I got for Easy Pages. So your boy is doing all right. And I'm telling you guys how to set up all of this stuff so that way you can have multiple streams of income. But anyway, that's pretty much it. If you got any questions, put them in the comment section down below. But that is 3 easy methods that you can do right now to get payments going to your Cash App every single day.